Alright YouTube, 2015 Toyota Sienna AC compressor replacement. And all you need to do, remove the radiator fan assembly rather than lower it down the subframe. Disconnect couple connectors, the discharge and the charge line, and remove that coolant reservoir. Remove the tensioner from right here. If you go down there, you can see the tensioner. So you need to use the 14 millimeter and turn it clockwise and lose the belt. Take off the belt, and then when you put back the AC compressor, the brand new one, there is two nuts here, two 14 millimeters down there. Reconnect the connectors, put back everything just like it was. Recharge the Freon, vacuum it before and recharge it, and you're good to go. That was all about the AC compressor replacement on 2015 Toyota Sienna. Thank you guys for watching. Reach out to me if you have any question or concern. Talk to you later.